Hey guys, it's your girl Heidi Lou. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed last week's episode at Runyon Canyon. This week is actually the season 2 finale. Yes, it is the season 2 finale, and I promised you in the channel trailer I would share with you some tips and recipes of what I eat, and that's exactly what we are doing today. I'm going to share with you a full day of eating. So that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all of it. I'm super excited to show you guys what I eat in a day, and I want you to remember that you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll put the links to those down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe. So come on guys, let's chow down. Hey guys, good morning. So first thing I do in the morning is actually drink, keep it by my bed, a full glass of water. I down this as soon as I wake up to make sure I rehydrate, and if I sweat during the night or anything like that, I replenish my water. So and that's what I do first thing in the morning. Now, let's get to breakfast. Breakfast! I've done a video on breakfast in the past, but I've changed it up slightly. I still do my over easy eggs, avocado, and tomatoes, but I've swapped out the smoothie at breakfast for oatmeal and blueberries to give myself some extra energy for the day. Looks like I cleaned the plates. So now that I've had breakfast, which was tasty, and I've done a little bit of work, it's time to hit the gym. But before I head out, I'm going to prep my smoothie so it's all ready for when I leave the gym. So come on, let's check out what's in the smoothie. So the smoothie I would normally have at breakfast, I now have after my gym workout with a few additions. I still have the yogurt, the turmeric powder, of course, and you need the black pepper to help activate the turmeric powder. I have the fresh ginger. I have added collagen powder to help with protein after my workout, and it gives you good skin. I've added carrots because they help boost the immune system and reduces blood pressure as well. I have the spinach. I use a lot of it because I've had a hard time finding fresh baby kale. And I use blueberries now because they are great antioxidants and they help reduce free radicals after your workout. And of course, the good old apple cider vinegar, just 2 capfuls. I prep this and then I head out to the gym. Hey guys, I just finished my workout, full body workout. Of course, got my abs in. Ooh, that's my underwear. But I'm gonna head into my place and get the smoothie started. Here we go. Now for the final ingredient, good old H2O, water, blend it. The smoothie's all ready to go. Let's throw ya. Lunch! To be honest, I don't always eat lunch because sometimes I'm still full from my smoothie. But when I do, I throw together some tomatoes, cucumbers, some olive oil, vinegar, salad dressing, shake that up. And if I have anything left over from the night before, like chicken, I'll reheat that and eat that for lunch. For a snack, I like to eat fruit, and oranges are a great source of vitamin C. With every meal or snack, I do 1 glass of water at least. No coffee, no pop, no soda. I've been editing for a bit today, so now it's dinner time. Let's go see what I'm cooking. For dinner, we are starting off on the stove top, cooking some ground turkey, seasoned in taco seasoning. I just use a little bit because those have a lot of salt and sodium. I love bowls for dinner, so I do quinoa, fresh spinach. I layered with the ground turkey, then some black beans. These are all high in protein, avocado, cheese, pico de gallo that I make myself, tortilla chips, and limes. The pico is just chopped up tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and some lime juice. Squeeze an extra lime on top, and this is delicious. Bowls are very filling, and all the ingredients keep well for lunch the next day. At the end of the day, I always get a craving for a snack, so I have a very special snack that I make at the end of the night. not all the time, but often when I'm watching TV or a movie. And yeah, I have tons of it, and I only make it one way because it is so good. You will never make it another way after you have it this way. So I'm going to show you what it is. Here we go. That contraption you see right there is called a whirly pop. I use it to make popcorn on the stove top, and it is absolutely amazing. I do 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of Amish kernels, and look how good they look. They are light, fluffy, and they taste so good. I do 2 tablespoons of stick butter melted in the microwave, and then I layer the popcorn with the butter and a little bit of salt. You guys, it is the best popcorn you will ever taste in your life. I swear by it. You'll never want microwave popcorn again. If you want to try the whirly pop, I have a link to it down below. It is on Amazon. You can click that link and find it easily. I'll also put a link to the Amish kernels as well. I top it with a little bit of M&Ms because, hey, I have a sweet tooth. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day, and maybe you'll give some of those recipes a try yourself. I want to wish you a wonderful holiday season and the happiest and healthiest of New Year's. I want you to remember that I'm on this fitness journey with you. So don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, but most of all, subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next season.